In this video, I'll show you how to automatically attach PDF documents to your form emails so the right documents are delivered to the right people, securely and without any manual work. Alright, so while we are inside of the form builder, you want to click on the app selector beside the Jotform logo right here. And that's going to open this drop down. And then from here, you want to go to the PDF editor. Now, once we're inside of the PDF editor, we want to click on the plus new PDF button located right here. Then on that pop-up menu, we are going to select a PDF form down here at the bottom so that we can create a PDF that can be attached to your form emails. Then from here, we are going to start from scratch. And then you can add your custom content and style the PDF template as needed. Next, we want to rename the PDF document based on the event name so it's easy to identify later. So at the top left, we are going to click on these three dots, and then we are going to rename this. And for the sake of this tutorial, we'll just call it customer. Now you can repeat these steps to add additional PDF documents if you have multiple events. Now we are going to go back to the form builder that we were working on, and this time we are going to click on the settings tab up here at the middle at the top of the screen. Then on the left hand side of the screen, we are going to click on emails. Then we are going to click on add email right here. And then we're going to choose the autoresponder email right here from the options. Now, if an autoresponder email already existed, you can simply click on it to edit its options. Now, once we have this opened up, we are going to click on the advanced tab. And then where it says attach PDF, we want to toggle this to the onward position. And once we do that, we will see a list of the PDF documents that we've created, and we simply select the one that we want to attach to this. And we can repeat these steps to create additional autoresponder emails for other PDF documents. Alright, so now we are still inside of our settings, but this time we are going to click on conditions on the left hand side. And from here, we are going to click on add condition. And at the bottom, we are going to select change email recipient. And then you simply set up the condition so that the correct autoresponder email is sent out based on the selected events. For example, we have a lot of different trigger events here, and no matter what you configure here, you want to send the autoresponder email that we set up, and then click on save. Now back inside of the settings once again, this time we are going to click on emails once again. And at the bottom, we already have a notification email set up, so we are going to click on edit. Then we're going to click on advanced. For the attach PDF, we're going to turn that on. And then we're going to select the one that we attached and created, and then click on save email here at the bottom. Now we are still inside of our settings and inside of our emails, and we are going to click on edit once again for this notification email, and then go back inside of the advanced tab. And this time, we are going to enable the enable PDF password. So we're going to turn that on. And then from here, we can set our password and then make sure we save our changes down here at the bottom. All right, so now we are back inside of our workspace. And from here, we are going to create a new form by clicking on create at the top left. And then we're going to select form. And then from here, we are going to select the document to form right here in the middle. And then we have the ability to go ahead and upload our PDF using the upload document option here. And once we have that PDF uploaded, we want to go back inside of our settings. And then from here, we want to click on emails on the left-hand side. Then we're going to go ahead and create an autoresponder email. We're going to go inside of the advanced tab. And then from here, we are going to attach the PDF. We're going to turn that on. Then we can select which PDF we want to attach. And we also want to enable the PDF password by turning that on. And then we set our password here. And then be sure to save it down here at the bottom. And that's it. You've now set up automatic PDF delivery, sending the right documents to the right people at the right time. Thanks for watching, and explore more Jotform PDF editor features, and we'll see you in the next video.